Let's start. Today we will see how to implement gradient colors in CSS. In the body tag, we have several div tags with their respective IDs. In the style tag, we have written the CSS. This is the style of the first div tag. Here we have set the gradient using the background image attribute. The colors of the gradient are blue and yellow. This background color is used in case the gradient is not working in some browsers. Here we have set the direction of the gradient to the right. Here we have set the direction of the gradient to the bottom right. Here we have set the direction of the gradient to 90 and 180 degrees. Here we have set multiple colors in the gradient. Here we have set rainbow colors in the gradient. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, this is the first gradient. In this gradient, the yellow color is to the right, as we mentioned. In this gradient, the yellow color is to the bottom right, as we mentioned. In these gradients, we have angled the gradient to 90 and 180 degrees. Here is the multiple colors gradient. This is the rainbow colored gradient. So that's it. That's how you can implement gradient in the CSS. Thank you.